In today's video, I'm going to tell you about not one, not two, but 20 such AI animation tools which are either free or you can try them for free. And I would like to tell you that do not miss number 8 and number 1 at all. So, without any delay, let's get started with number 20, that is Leiapix. Friends, when I started using this tool, it was completely free, but now you get credits here, and friends, if you upload images on it, then you can create some such animation here. You will definitely be able to do it. And friends, there is another similar alternative that I would like to tell you about, and that is called CapCut. And friends, after you import your image on CapCut, you need to select the image, then click on Effects, and then on Style. After that, you will see the 3D zoom option. Apply this 3D zoom effect, and your effect will be ready. Please comment and tell us whether it is similar to the Leiapix or not. Now let's move forward to number 19, which is Pika Art. Friends, this AI tool is one of the best animation tools, where you get 250 credits on first login, and then you will get 30 credits per day so that you can create 3 videos daily. If you have multiple accounts, then you can create multiple videos, and here you can select different styles for your videos as well as generate sound effects for the video. And yes, I have given the link of tutorials of all the tools I am telling you in the description. Number 18, Runway Ml. Friends, there are many tools in Runway Ml like text to video, video to video, lip sync video, image to video, and many others. And friends, Gen 1, Gen 2, and Gen 3 are AI models of Runway Ml, with the help of which you can create very realistic videos. And here you also get 125 free credits on logging in for the first time, so you can try this tool. Number 17, Viggle Ai. We all must have seen Ben 10 in our childhood. Let me transform myself and show you. Yes, so see friends how I transformed myself, and I can also dance, but not in real, with the help of AI. Something like this. So, friends, please comment on how you like this tool. So friends, you can also create such videos using this tool, which is called Viggle Ai. Number 16, Animated Drawings. Friends, you must be wondering, why is it jumping? Actually, you can also create this using animated drawings. Here you can also animate your sketch. Number 15, Artflow Ai. Well friends, here you can also create your customized images talking avatar. But since we are talking about animation, I would like to tell you that you can also create an animated story here. You just have to give the outline of your story. The rest of the work will be done by Artflow. Number 14, Pikalabs. Friends, you must be thinking that you have already told about it, but pay attention. I am talking about Pikalabs, not Pika.art. You can use it free of cost in your Discord app. Number 13, Genmo. Friends, there was a time when there was a lot of discussion about Genmo, but now this tool has become hidden. Nobody talks about it, but you can make videos like this for free using this tool, so you must try this once. Number 12, Hedra Ai. Friends, remember when the DID tool was launched, how viral it became, and it would not be wrong to say that I was the one who made that tool viral. But friends, I would like to tell you that with Hedra you can make talking videos like this. That too with face expressions. Number 11, Vidu Ai. Friends, Vidu is a Chinese text-to-video and image-to-video AI tool, and I think only China can compete with USA in this field. Rest, you can use it free of cost. Its output is truly amazing. And friends, here you get 80 credits per month. Number 10 is Adobe Animate from audio. By using this, you can create various character animations from your audio at no cost. If you want to create content without showing your face, then I believe there is no better option than this. Additionally, I'll give you a bonus idea. You can also start an Instagram page by utilizing this tool. Number 9, LTX Studio. Its work is as its name suggests. You just write your video idea here, tell it, and it will create your complete video, in whichever style you want it to be created.
Knew the earth was in danger, but no one believed me.
I created this video using this tool, and finally we have come to number 8, which is Dream Machine, the Universal Dream Engine. It became very viral in recent times, and its tag is the Universal Dream Engine. You may have also used this AI tool of Luma Labs. Here you can create a video from your text or image whose output is very good, and you can also exchange your generated video according to your prompt. Number 7. Haiper Ai. Friends, the Haiper Ai has been founded by Google DeepMind and TikTok alumni. Here you initially receive 300 free credits, which you can use to create up to 5 videos each day, whether you do it by writing text or with your image. Number 6. Pixverse. Friends, Pixverse is also a very good option for text to video or image to video. When you log in here for the first time, then you will get 130 credits here, and per day you get 30 credits here. And they have 2 models, Pixverse version 1, on using it, your 10 credits will be used per video, and their second model is Pixverse version 2.5. On using it, your 15 credits will be used per video. So friends, you can also use this for your video creation. Number 5. Lensgo Ai. Friends, these types of videos are very viral on Insta these days, and you can make such animated videos using Lensgo Ai. Apart from this, you can also create text to video, text to image, image to video here. Initially, when you log in here for the first time, you get 100 credits, then you will get 50 credits per day here. Number 4. Hotshot Ai. Friends, you get free generations per day on Hotshot Ai. That means we can create 3 videos daily by writing text here, and please check the description for detailed tutorial. Number 3. Wondershare Verbo. Friends, you will find the Wondershare Verbo app on the Play Store. Here you can create a video of up to 2 minutes on one account, and create videos in such a way that it looks most realistic. Number 2. Leonardo Ai. Friends, how is it possible that we talk about AI tools and there is no mention of Leonardo Ai in it? Although Leonardo Ai is famous for images, but you can also generate motion video here. Generate motion video by clicking here. As soon as you click on it, your motion video, animated video will be created. Finally, friends, we have come to number 1, which is Kling Ai. Friends, Kling Ai is also a Chinese AI tool which is leaving Runway Ml behind. Friends, here also you can create videos from your text or image. Friends, I want to let you know that you get 66 credits per day here. Creating one video will cost you 10 credits, and here are some results. I didn't rank them as number 1, number 2, or number 3. I just wrote down whatever tool came to mind and made the video. By the way, I made an animated video using various AI tools. If you want to see how, click on the video on the left. And if you found this video informative, if you like it, then please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Be the part of my journey. Thank you so much for watching.